Lifetrons EP-400D Microcurrent Facial Lift. Clean your face with facial cleanser. Apply a thin layer of essence or cream around your face. Lifetrons Microcurrent Facial Lift is designed with 3 interchangeable heads: facial massage head, eye massage head, and red photon light head. Turn on the device and choose face massage head. Adjust intensity by pressing L and H buttons. Move the massage head upwards to lift contour. 10 minutes each time and 2 to 3 times per week. This helps boost blood circulation, relieve swelling, and improve face contour. When using the eye massage head, massage the eye area and avoid direct contact with your eyelid. 10 minutes each time and 2 to 3 times per week. This helps lightening fine lines and relieve fatigue. When using red photon light head, avoid looking at the red lights by wearing goggles provided in the package. Stay on the same area for 5 to 8 seconds. The wavelength is 630 nm, which enhances skin cell growth and brightening your skin. 10 minutes each time and 2 to 3 times per week. After use, turn off the device and clean the massage head with dry cloth or tissue. Lifetrons EP-400D Microcurrent Facial Lift. Multiple modes help you restore youthful skin.